In this video, I'll show you how to buy Robux with Cash App on iPhone, step by step, so you can easily add Robux to your account without any confusion. By the way, if you run a business, Cash App probably isn't the best option for you, but I'll explain more about that later in the video. First, open the Cash App on your iPhone and make sure you're signed in. If you don't have Cash App installed yet, download it from the App Store and log into your account. Once you're on the home screen, tap on the Cash Card or the card icon at the bottom left corner. This is important because you need to confirm that your Cash Card is activated. Also, make sure you have enough funds in your Cash App balance, since you'll be using that balance to pay for Robux. If needed, you can add money by linking your bank account or using a debit card. Next, open the Wallet app on your iPhone so you can add your Cash App card. Tap the three dots or the settings icon in the top right corner, then select the option to add a card. From here, choose to add a card and enter your Cash App card details, including the card number, expiration date, and security code. Before doing this, double-check that your Cash App is updated to the latest version and that your Cash Card is fully activated. Once your Cash App card is added and ready, open the Roblox app on your iPhone and log into your account. Tap on the More section at the bottom right corner, then go into Settings. From there, open Payment Methods and make sure your Cash App card is added as one of your payment options. This step is very important because Roblox needs to recognize your Cash App. Cash App is updated to the latest version and that your Cash Card is fully activated. Once your Cash App card is added and ready, open the Roblox app on your iPhone and log into your account. After that, go back to the main Roblox screen and tap the Robux icon, which looks like a gold diamond at the top right corner. Choose the Robux package you want to buy. For example, a smaller option like 40 Robux. When you tap on it, you'll be taken to the purchase screen. Since your Cash App card is already linked, simply tap Buy, follow the on-screen instructions, and select Cash App as your payment method. Confirm the payment, and your Robux will be added to your account. Cash App is decent, but personally, I prefer MoneyGram for day-to-day money transfers, especially if you live in the US or Canada. If you're worried about online fraud, they even have physical locations near you where you can make transfers in person. There's a link in the description below to create a free account. But if you run a business or plan to start one, Roblox is a much better option. You can send and receive money from all over the world, in many different currencies. It's a complete business banking account that goes way beyond what Cash App offers. There should be a video popping up on your screen now. It's a detailed Roblox review covering everything you need to know. Click the video to start watching.